Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this video, we are trying to finalize these lower torque boxes in here. So up above, we have those plates that come in. We have to clean off the paint and stuff around those so that they can weld in. Down here, there's some spots where we've got some high spots in the floor that we have to hammer down from above so that we can get these gaps tightened up so that we can finish welding this in. And then I was thinking about putting a bar from here down to the subframe connectors just to add a little bit more structural support. Let me know what you guys think about that. Once we have that done, we can bring the axle and arms back underneath and get the upper torque box here all mocked back up and then tack welded in. And then once that's done, we're ready to start working on figuring out the coilovers. So anyway, let's get to it and see what we can get done. All right, got out to the garage a couple nights this week, made some decent progress. These lower torque boxes are fully welded in, including the plates on top. This upper torque box control arm mount, it is ready to weld in, but I gotta get it tweaked just right. Currently the axle is measuring about 1/8 of an inch out of center. So I think if I get that tweaked to where it was before, it'll pull the axle back over to the right location. I just got to mess with it a little bit more before I weld that piece in. We're getting really close to starting to mess with the coilover mounts for back here. So it is coming together. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.